3, 2, 1, here we go. Alright, hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today, we're playing Undertale again. My account. And we're back. What episode is this? Hang on, let me check what episode this is, bro. How do I check what episode this is? I don't have another device with me. This is 8 episode. You know what? I'll be right back. Dang, the intro still isn't over. Alright, welcome back to episode 4, guys. Episode 4, Fantastic 4. Ooh, that's tough. Ooh. Oh, shoot. I also have my drink. And another drink. Alright. I also have my remote. And my very, very bad broken controllers. Alright. Continue. Alright, guys. So last time, if you haven't watched the other episodes, go check them out. Okay. Woo. Shall we play? Here, get comfortable. Oh, okay. Okay. The sound of the rushing water fills you with determination. Bum, 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 Hey. All that gives my life validation is explaining the echo flower. No one can know. Okay. Never trust a flower. There's one thing. Never trust a flower. There's one of the constants of this world. I'm a trust it. Yo, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I'm gonna be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. Haha. I don't think you have any parents, little bro. Oh, yes. Peek. Is this on the ground? Is it an apple flower? Look, there's minerals in the wall. Alright, what's up, Sans? Let's hang out again sometime. Oh, yeah, we already hanged out. I forgot. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Now, let me first open my drink. I'm scared. It tastes so good. Okay. This is a box. You can put an item or take an item out. Why would you, though? Can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Dang. Use the box? Yes or no? Yes. Look at all this. Okay. Oh, wait. Actually, let's just check this out. Oh, what the heck? Alright, let's not go there first. Hang on. Ow, wait, can I go down? That scared me so badly. I thought I was gonna die. The heck? Alright, just a hole. Just another. Oh, there's support beams. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. It was probably me falling down it, bro. Okay. No! I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the camera. I'm right up there. I'm right up there. Okay. Weave. Alright. Oh, shoot. Ready for this? Wait, it is I, the great Papa. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take that human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see... I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Dang. Not scary at all. Jeez. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Haha. Come on, let's watch her beat up some bad guys. That kid is so weird. It's peak music. This is my favorite song in all of Undertale, by the way. If you didn't know, this was like my #1 listening song on Spotify last year. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. When 4 bridges seeds align in the water, they will sprout. Just pressing A, by the way. A. Aaron fluxes in. Alright, let's fight him. Oh, shoot. No need for a swimsuit. Hey, yup. I'm genderless. Yeah, I suck at this. Education? Hobby talent? Oh, damn, he's sweating. Oh, yeah. I'm so tough. Aaron is admiring his own muscles. Wow. No need for a swimming suit. I suck. He's sweating bullets. Phew, I'm sweating. Yeah, it's because of how beautiful I am. Or handsome. Phew, I'm sweating. Ow. Oh, nice. See how nice I am? Can't read the... It's light. Bruh. Yeah. Yeah, I want to read the sign. No. No, wait, I need to read the sign. No, dang it. That didn't work. Oh, look, they're back. If an error is made, the bell blossom can call the bridge seeds back to where they started. Oh, okay. Oh, they have to be in a row 4. I get it. Just like what they said. I thought it was only for that one. My fault. Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. Bro, are you serious right now? Like, bro. Like, what? Four in a row. Where do I put 4? That's 3. This is 3. This is 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 2. I can't put them here, can I? Oh wait, maybe I can, because... Oh, that's... Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. Yeah. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a bandana. Oh. Because I put on the bandana. What was it? Yeah. So you are wearing a bandana. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Lick. Lick. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room! Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis. Make a wish. Oh my god. Oh, hi, Wisha. I thought your name was Joshua. Yeah, check. Attack 18, defense 5. This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world. Oh, okay. Tweet. Your soul's unclean. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that my soul is unclean. Ah, shoot. Green makes clean. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna die. Nope. Dang it. No. No. Isn't this like my first death? You cannot give up just yet. Speedy. Stay determined. Man, I died. Bro! No! No! I have to... okay. No, wait, let me save. Wait, no. Back. Alright, guys, let's try and make it out of a waterfall. That's this episode. No! I don't... Spare! No! I can't flee. Fine. Die, you stupid monkey. No, I'm not even gonna mercy you anymore. I'm just gonna kill you. Never mind, I suck. You perv, bro. I'm genderless. Watch me kill him. Watch. Ready? Oh my god. My love increased. What? So wait, was my HP restored or no? Alright, yeah, it was restored. Yeah. What if I say no? Nah. Alright, then I pawned the banana. See, this is where I died. See? Look through the telescope? Yeah. Whoa. Wait, check wall. Check wall. I am. What do you mean check? Oh, wait. Yeah. Big. Okay. I keep. Oh, what the heck? Oh, isn't this where that freaky kid comes? Okay, wait. Now what? Happens if I go back? Is it still... Okay. Oh, wait, I didn't check this. Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Okay. But yeah, see, there's supposed to be some type of monster. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of the humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But the humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illusion of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Wait, why did the music stop? Wait, no, come back. Bro. Here goes nothing. Here you go. So guys, how's the weather? Oh dang, that's cool. I'm like half black, half... Wait, that's on the side. Run! Run, child! What? Weave! 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 My fingers are slipping! No! Weave! Oh, can you catch me now? Whoa! Oh, hey, I see my pixel. The poor child. I'll just put you down. Yo, kid. Monster kid. Yo, did you see that? Dying just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left, yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. That was terrifying. Why is the sea black? Jeez! The cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown over it. It's stuck to the table. Isn't this song called It's Raining Somewhere Else? Squeak. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal fills you with determination. Hi, Sans. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you can use it for free. How's about it? Dang, I lost my Sans voice. Use the telescope? Yes. Oh, it's red. It doesn't even go all the way to the side. The heck? Sans, bro, there's something wrong with your telescope. Oddly satisfying. Huh? Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Bruh. Use the box? Yes. Alright, I do need some of these. Okay. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? I'm a rock star. The ancient things have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. That's Not concerning. It's a box for storing punch cards. It's empty right now. I relocated my store, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take the punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers back. Ice cream is a frozen treat that warms your heart. That's a lot, but... yeah. Super! Here you go. Your card's in the box. You got the ice cream. You got a punch card. That was sick. Use the box? Yes. Hey, the purple thing's gone. Oh, no, we're not going that way. It's back. The music's back. Maybe I should have gone the other way first. I know what I need to do. I know. I now know it all. It's Waterfall. You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? Not at the moment. You hear a passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Ring. Hello, this is Papas. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know. Her opinion of you is very murdery. Well, worry not, dear human. Papyrus would never betray you. You said you're not wearing a bandana. So of course I actually told her. You're indeed wearing a bandana. It painted me to tell such a bold-faced lie. But since you aren't wearing a bandana, she surely won't attack you. Now you're safe and sound. Wowie, this is hard. I just want to be everybody's friend. Guys, I think I'm wearing a bandana. Ah, shoot, I am wearing it. That's a lot. Finally, I can talk and you guys can hear me. Oh, that's good. You hear a passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on. I promise I won't laugh. Did you teleport? The power to take their souls. This is the power that humans feared. Okay. Hey there. Notice you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time. But hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full. Anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You hear? Undead's gonna fix everything. You hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean. You hear? Hey there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. And Waterfall. Wait, now I want to go back. How long is this hallway? Where'd he go? Where'd she go? Maybe they moved away because of her. Oh my god. Sheeran hides in the corner but somehow encounters you anyway. Why can't I see the top of the screen? Ouch. Tapes a little beat with her friends. Sharon's voice gets raspy. Should have just killed her. The northern room hides a great treasure. Never eat soggy waffles again. Oh man, I always was so confused watching this. The haunting song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. Okay, 8. I see. Yeah, let's see. This power has no encounter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears. With incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monsters called a boss monster. A boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death, only for a few seconds. A human could absorb this soul, but this has never happened, and now it never will. Look at it's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. Take an umbrella. Take one. You took an umbrella. Look, they can't be raining on me now. Put the umbrella on the statue? Yes. You place the umbrella atop the statue. Inside the statue, a music box begins to play. The music continues and doesn't stop. Oh. Yeah. Let me write this down. Good thing I always keep an index card and a pencil right next to me. Okay. Then up, then side, then circle, then down, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There's a piano here. Play it? Yes. Oh, look, I have to push this. And depending on where I push it, okay. What did I just play? Played up, okay. And then that way. And that. And down, down, that way. That should be it. What the heck? What the heck, man? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the heck? Why won't it show me the 8th? Can I take another? Oh, no. No. Do not. Let's try this again. What? I just need to play it fast. It's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? Take it. You're carrying too many dogs. Lone dog. Dog, a little white dog is fast asleep. You deployed the dog. No! The dog absorbs the artifact. Oh. The artifact is gone. Oh, damn. Dang. Dang. Dog residue. Dog residue. Dog item. Dirty dishes left unwashed by a dog. You use the dog residue? The rest of your inventory filled up with dog residue? No! No! You dropped it. One more time. Okay. Yeah. Are these holes? Oh! That's so trippy. Yo, you can't hold the umbrella either. If you walk into it, I guess I'll look you. Oh, wait. Let's go. Oh, never mind. Hang on. I need to go get the umbrella back. Yeah, I already looked. Undine's not over there. So I guess I'll see you later. Haha. Wait, no. Stupid. Yes. Where'd the kid go? Yo, you got this umbrella? You're the best. Let's go. An umbrella for me, bro. Come on. You're walking out of the... Man, Untine's so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Haha. You know I'm still a child, right? Whoa. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. Yeah. A drink. He ended up coming to the school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undine came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Oh, this is one of my favorite parts of the game. Yeah. Oh, no. I accidentally took your video. Should I remember? Get back. Nice. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undine? Right? Climb on my shoulders. Wait, but we didn't get to do the duck. Should I go all the way back? Yeah. That's not fine. Let's just keep progressing. Wait, no, what about you? Yeah, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. He's such an innocent guy, bro. Poor kid probably gets bullied. The serene sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination. The humans, afraid of our own power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. Okay. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful as monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. The serene sound of a distant music box fills you with determination. What? Yeah, fine. Weaves. 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 Oh, shoot. Close. Weaves. Weaves. No. Oh, shoot. Ah. Whoa. Wrong way. Maybe that is the right way. Wrong way. Nope. Oh, shoot. Gotta get out of here fast. How do I leave this place? I'm done, bro. Chill. 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 How do I leave? I'm gonna die. They're becoming faster. Oh shoot. What? You see how fast this is? No, I can't die till I'm done. No, no, no. Weave, weave, weave. Faster. Literally impossible. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm insane. Our fate rests upon you. Speedy, stay determined. Alright, where do I go though? Also, am I Asian? Like, I look so yellow. See, it slowly gets faster. See? Run! Weave! Weave! More weaves! Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Shoot, not there. Not there. I think I know where I need to go. Never mind, I'm completely lost. Every single time. Finally. Is she gone? I hate you. Falling down on. Sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Speedy. Huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Huh. What? Who was that? Okay, well... I need to get to a safe point. Oh, wait. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Like what? Doritos? Just garbage. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling from the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage fills you with determination. Piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Just garbage. Okay, well... 51 minutes? Alright, yeah. Alright, well, guys, that was it for episode 4. We just escaped a waterfall and a 9. That was insane. But I'll see you guys in the next video, episode 5, coming soon. And I will see y'all later. Thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to Frisk. No, I'm joking. Subscribe to me. I really appreciate everyone who supports making these videos. They do take a while to come out, so I'd really appreciate it if you would just subscribe. So, thank you. Love y'all later, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.